Hello, I'm Jason Mace. I'm the Managing Director of Gala Tent, and I'm here to introduce you to the Gala Tent Fusion. This is the next generation marquee, which is designed and built solely in the UK, and it's a British patent. The frames of the Gala Fusion structures are manufactured from high-grade aluminium extrusions to provide strength while minimizing weight. There is no need for any center poles, supports, or guide ropes with this structure. Designed from the entry-level Gala Tent Marquee and the high-end Modular marquees, which have been around for many years, we have developed innovative ideas from both structures, which has created a mid-range, reasonably priced, heavy-duty commercial structure. And that is why it's aptly named the Fusion, basically because of all the research and development from the other structures on the market. Exhibiting the new Fusion Marquee at the Showman show 2010, which is nearly 10 years ago now from this video, the Gala Tent had an enormous amount of feedback from new and existing customers. Such was the success of the prototype, we sold the prototype within the first hour, and it wasn't even really finished at that stage. It was so popular, and it was still in the development stages. The unique selling points being that there is nothing in the market to rival this mid-range product on quality and price. You either have the entry-level marquees, which is still a sturdy structure, but not designed for use as a semi-permanent or long-term use, along with being limited to a 6-meter span. So you've got the steel poles out in the marketplace, which you can only really get robustly, purely to a 6-meter wide, which we call a 6-meter span. So the only solution was to develop a 9-meter structure for the market, which we successfully did. And the only option until we developed the Fusion was the Modular, which is really quite expensive. So most businesses struggle for a quick return on investment if you're, for example, in hire and the event industry, getting a return from the high-end Modulars, whereas with the Fusion you can get a quick return on investment because basically it doesn't cost as much. The higher trade show companies and drinks vendors buy into this concept regularly. The feedback from our hire companies, which we have many, probably hundreds in the UK and around Europe, they can move quickly from the entry-level structures straight into the commercial quality 9-meter market, and all our clients are getting a good return, which is basically a win-win. The structure can be positioned on almost any surface, including tarmac, concrete, grass. The lightweight modular aluminium frame makes the marquee quick, simple, and safe to erect. With no special tools required, packs down to the size of a standard pallet, so basically you can transport this anywhere in Europe even. So we're really pleased about that innovative design. That's the main thing that we've got the patent protection on. Another great feature of the Gala Tent Fusion is that it's really good quality PVC material, which is up to 650 grams. So you have an opportunity here to enhance your brand image. So we provide a full range of printing services. So the Gala Tent Fusion range is used by many of Britain's leading companies for promotional events to raise brand awareness. The quality finish of the Gala Tent range mirrors the qualities companies seek in the corporate environment into their brand, to promote their identities. You can raise awareness of your product or service or company campaign through the use of colour printing on the canopies and the end walls. If this is of interest to you, ask one of our specialist contact centre team about our printing and branding. And finally, Gala Tent is an award-winning company. We've won many awards for manufacturing excellence and innovation in this sector. Probably the most for all the event industry companies I would boast actually. Gala Tent is an award-winning company. It's the preferred supplier for sporting events, the motorsport industry, market traders, the event hire industry, the emergency services, the military, government bodies throughout Britain. So remember, it's not an event without Gala Tent.